Okay, so here we'll be looking at how to find the number of co-primes less than the number. So we have to find, if we are given a number n, we have to find the number of co-primes to n that are less than n. So basically co-primes are those numbers. So basically co-primes to n means the numbers which we are looking at are those numbers which don't have any common prime factor with capital N. Okay, so suppose we are taking capital N as equal to 12, then if we try to count the number of co-primes, we will have 1 is a prime, so 1 is neither a prime nor a composite, so we cannot take that. Then 2 is not co-prime to 12 because 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. So 2 becomes a common factor, so 2 cannot be taken. Then if 3 we are taking, again 3 is present here. 4 we cannot take again because 4 can be written as 2 square, which is already there. 5 is a co-prime to 12. Then 6 is clearly not a co-prime because 6 is 2, contains 2. Then 7 is a co-prime to 12. Then we have 8 which contains 2, again this also contains 2, so this is not a co-prime. 9 contains 3 square, again not a co-prime. Then 10 contains 2, again not a co-prime. And 11 would be a co-prime to 12. So if we take now total number of co-primes here is 5, 7 and 11. So there are, if we consider 1 also, which is neither a prime nor a composite number, but if we consider this also to be co-prime with 12, then we will have 4 co-primes. Okay, this is how we count it manually. Now the total number of co-primes to n which are less than n can be found out using a formula. So let us call it number NCP. So this is computed by the formula n into 1 minus 1 upon a into 1 minus 1 upon b into 1 minus 1 upon c and so on. So basically here what are ABC? ABC is nothing but when n is represented as a product of primes, that is a raised to power b, b raised to power q, c raised to power r, then this a, b, c are the primes here. Okay, so in case of 12, if we see, the number of co-primes would be 12 into, so 12 was written as 2 square into 3. So here the value of a is 2, 1 minus 1 upon 2, and the value of b is 3, so 1 minus 1 upon 3. This will come out to be 12 into 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 3, which is 4, which is also the required number of co-primes which we got by counting them. Okay, so let's take another example. Let's take the number n equal to 48. Now 48 could be, first we need to prime factorize it. So this is 24, this becomes 12. So this is nothing but 2 raised to power 4 into 3. So again 2 raised to power 4 into 3, again the number of co-primes we have to find. So here again a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. So the number of co-primes less than 48 which are co-prime to 48 would be the number itself, 48 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3, which is 48 into 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 3, which is equal to 48 upon 3 equal to 16. So 16 is the total number of numbers which are co-prime to 48 and are less than 48. So we just have to remember that the number of co-primes to capital N which are less than n is given by the number itself n, 1 minus 1 upon a into 1 minus 1 upon b and so on, where a, b and c and so on are prime factors of n. So this is how we compute the required value.